number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Cruise Roundtable Unscripted. This is Chetan Raj, and with me I have today the director and the co-writers of Simple Humble Chetan to the conclusion. So I have some basic questions for you all. All of you have been part of the writing of the film, and so would you like to tell me about your experience and any challenges you faced while writing it, if you faced any?
Challenges as such we didn't face. It was a fun experience as we had three great minds collaborating, giving multiple ideas, and the challenge was to choose one from among all of them.
I wouldn't certainly call it a challenge because all three of us, especially me, first when I thought that we have to write the script, I had many ideas. I'm sure they also had many ideas. So finding the common point between all the three ideas and choosing one which would be liked by everyone and mainly the three of us was the
Very
task.
important thing. Okay. This is your third film together. How has the journey been till now?
This is not my third film, but it is that third.
So yeah, you, me and Guhan, it is the third film. Anurag, it's the second film in the same sequel. Which is like every movie, it has new experiences. This was a new experience.
Cutouts also.
Yeah, everything.
This time for this film, how has the shooting been and how have the scenes come out?
I think I would like to say that our budget has improved.
Okay, nice.
So yeah, as in our previous movie,
Although still you aren't paying me. Okay, continue.
you asked us about paying.
Okay. Like you are.
Like in the last movie, our audience had pointed out many mistakes that we made, and we
Last two movies actually.
last two movies, and we are working on correcting those mistakes, and have corrected most of them. It's their audience opinion to spot those mistakes once the movie releases.
Maybe in the first film, the audio and visual effect and everything was a problem.
Okay.
We could overcome that.
This time?
The last movie, but there was an audio issue. This time we have got in good cameras,
Okay, nice.
and for the first time we're shooting with cameras, unlike the other.
Nice. So, what had you thought about the film just when the draft of the script was completed? How did you think it would come out?
There was not one draft of this script.
There were at least
Six. I think this is the sixth or the seventh draft which was finalized. So the
Was
first,
the hero in any part helpful to the draft?
of course, the hero itself.
Considering the hero
gave,
we made the
the
script.
hero himself gave the first idea before we started because of our great Paul Science classes.
Yes. Our experiences together.
Yeah, and keeping you in mind how you would be
Yeah,
acting,
okay,
and this, of course. This time it is, I think, a new experience for you as well and for us also. All the films we have made till now have been comedy films. This is the first dramatic, emotional.
Thriller, comedy also.
Yeah.
So, as the directors and the writers, what message do you have for the actors, and how can we improve our acting?
As a director, I would tell the actors that probably the camera is not at all your friend. Don't treat it as your friend. Don't treat it as your enemy. Just
Okay.
it has to be something which is seeing you always. If you're not comfortable, you're uncomfortable. It is seen on the camera. If you don't know what you have to express, what expression you have to give, it is seen. So the audience is the final judges for this. And if you're not comfortable, if you don't know what expression you have to give, if you're stammering with your dialogues, it is all seen, and that has to be overcome. So keeping the camera in mind, thinking that is the highest order of what you have to give respect to when you're acting, and keeping that in mind.
The director seems to be very philosophical, and
I also wish to point out another thing. Last time in our previous movie, the thing is that the actors, they know the storyline, but they are not keen on following the script. So what I'm trying to tell is that please follow the script and you can do some additions, but don't make it like so many additions that you might change the storyline as well, especially the hero.
So I
This
would
is
say, no, to add to Vijay sorry Anudek's point, I would say like there has to be a good balanced equation between the actor and the director and the crew. So whatever the script is there, of course you have to follow that, and if you have any additions, if you have any opinions, you can surely give it. So this exchange of opinions, if it happens well, like the film will get better.
Oh, nice. About your post-production work, how do you manage to even promote your film while when the editing, the re-recording, and the many more things? How is it all managed? Yeah, that's the question.
Like I can't speak about the post production of this film because we're still working, we're still shooting for this film. We just finished the first day shoot today, and for the previous film we had many things lined up. We had the poster coming up on one day, we had two posters, we had different dates for that, we had a trailer, we had promos, we had interviews and things like that. So that is how this also would continue. We have motion posters lined up.
Coming up.
Yeah.
Are you sharing it on? What are you sharing it on? YouTube or
YouTube.
WhatsApp?
Basically YouTube.
Okay, nice. From the first film, what kind of improvements have you gotten? How is it like to change the mood of the writing when you have done many films together? At least the script writing would happen simultaneously. Wouldn't the film affect the others?
Like,
In the sense, when you are writing the script, I think you are already pre-planned for the others.
Okay, you mean when you're writing the script for
Yeah,
one film, you
yeah.
have to simultaneously write for another
Pre-planned,
film?
yeah.
Yes, we had
We did that.
actually done that. We had me and Gohan here. We had planned of writing part 2 script even before the shoot of part 1.
Okay.
So from that time we've been creating different drafts.
That's what had happened. See, the first.
unfortunately, those ideas couldn't be used because of the unexpected outcome of part 1.
Yes.
Like, we couldn't.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And if you haven't watched that part 1, please watch Simple Humble Chetan part 1.
There.
Yes, on
Where?
on YouTube,
Not there.
on your TV, anywhere you want. Yeah.
If you have internet.
Yes, if you have it.
Yeah, so that would surely happen. Like even when we're writing the scripts of Similar Images in Part 1 and Part 2, the genre has changed from the Part 1 to Part 2. Part 1 it was a comedy genre what we had, and in Part 2 it is like this emotional, dramatic.
Also, I would like to add that many people think that writing the script is kind of easy and it's like no job. You can just do it in like one day, but they do not know that we actually have to plan months before like the shoot. This itself I told like we planned before the shoot of part 1, so it's like almost
if
3
you
months.
count
before.
everything together, 3 or 4 months. Just for the final draft, we have taken 1.5 to 2 months.
Yes.
That's very nice. If you had to comment about the work which has gone into the shooting, script and pre-production, post-production work for this film, what would it be?
Script, pre-production. Pre-production, we didn't have anything much other than getting the actors lined up and the
Okay.
script. Post-production, you have to still see the shooting.
The shoot.
How do you plan on
like
post?
we have?
You
we
already
have,
told
like,
that, right?
We have faced few problems with the actors for the shooting because few roles are there for like few actors, but they are not able to like
Appear for the
appear
shoot.
for the shoot.
Yeah.
So at least for this time, we had planned of having workshops and teaching the actors because whatever actors we have worked till now, it has.
They've
They've
just
all-
like it's like they have just done it.
You
on
know,
the
they've
spot.
all been part of comedy films. Even you, like
Yeah.
you have done comedy films, 2 comedy films continuously. So it is like comedy. You can do it properly, like without any. Might be changing dialogues, the script that would have worked, but now since it is
Serious movies.
I know serious movies and like how much hard work. Like we had gone through a lot of we did a lot of hard work to get tears in Chetan's eyes.
Yes.
Just kidding. That's a nice behind the scene you have there. I suppose we can have
it
that.
took nearly 1.5 hours.
It would have been a new experience for you too, and we had
Crying,
fun.
crying
You
is
may
very
think
new
that scene is not a
experience.
lot,
Yeah,
but then
that's
it took a lot to get it done.
Yes.
Maybe.
just to say, like in the movie, we will have a fight scene. So that is not like we finish in 2 minutes thing. It took us like at least 2 hours to finish
It's
that.
not 2 hours. It took us almost 3 to 4 hours.
Yeah, exactly.
On top of the
Continuously.
yeah,
we had-
extreme dangers were faced
Extreme.
by the cameraman
Yes.
and the actors. A lot of professionalism was displayed.
Especially,
The
the
actors.
dialogues were very long, and we had to get a good
Prompter.
sense of what happened, and we had a prompter also.
Yes. This is the first
Who
time
did a
we
very
could
good
afford
job.
all that.
And we could, yeah.
This is
So
the
we,
first time we could
this
afford.
was a very planned shoot, I would say.
It was, I believe, it was more planned than the part one.
And especially the staring part of getting tears in Chetan's eyes. It was not easy to make
Yes.
Chetan
was-
cry because we had like 2 to 3 staring competitions with all of us, and then finally we came up with ideas like
Using eye drops very dangerously.
eye drops,
Dangerous eye drops, which could have
Please don't use eye drops.
cost
on
me
this
my
one
eyesight.
one eye checker.
Yes. Yeah.
we
it's a very bad experience.
We used everything, whatever we have used under precautionary conditions.
Do not try this at home, kids. I heard that the translation of SHC 1 to SHC 2 was quite difficult. Why is it so? Translation. Translation. I said, my bad.
Transition from SSC 1 to SSC 1, like it's a comedy film, and SSC 2 is very serious, emotional, dramatic, and we also had to write, like Anand has already said, we had to write the script simultaneously. Like in the start also, I couldn't catch up with the script writers, these two.
Yeah,
Go
we
ahead.
had started like really early, like before, like before the shoot. So during the shoot, there were the unexpected outcomes. We had to like change the script a few times more.
5 to 6 times the script had been written up
Like
till the
If
intermission.
it had not done, then I would expect that our outcome would have been totally different, and maybe even the seriousness of the movie also would be.
What would you say? You have already acted in SSC 1 and you have seen the outcome. What's the outcome? Like you thought maybe it would be easier, like.
No, definitely not easier because everyone has been putting a lot of hard work into this, and being on screen is much difficult than being like speaking around the people live, because while you're on screen it's very hard. You need to be in control, your emotions need to be in control, but it's not the same when you're live. And also the fact that to get certain emotions on your face, you need to undergo certain situations and hardships you need to overcome. So that's also difficult. And all the actors have displayed immense training that we've gone under workshops, and we've followed the script mostly this time. We've not had much additions, although the additions have been in relation with what was in the script, because the script was extremely refined in literary wise, so we couldn't keep up with that. And the director has been very nice to all of us. He's very fun to be with, and
Thank you.
and also what's that? A cameraman right there is also very collaborative and very workaholic. You can tell he's always there to take the shots. And notice that everyone has been the cameraman in this show, and we have also mastered the art of photography. So next DPS competition we are beginning.
Anymore?
Okay, that's all for now. Thank you, and this is Unscripted with the crew of SSC 2.
Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to watch Simple Chetan 2 releasing on 29th Feb.